Hampton Court Palace's gardens cover 60 acres, and the Privy Garden, located on the palace's south side, is the most historically significant and exquisitely restored part of the estate. Originally created by Henry VIII as a private retreat, it served as an intimate royal garden. The garden seen today is largely a faithful reconstruction based on the 1702 design of William III. Using extensive historical documents, drawings, and horticultural records, it has been meticulously restored and is considered one of the most accurately recreated historic gardens in Britain. Its layout reflects classic Baroque symmetry, featuring neatly clipped box hedges, yew pyramids, holly, lavender, and honeysuckle, along with vibrant seasonal flowers and historic sculptures that maintain visual structure throughout the year. The Hornbeam Bower and several statues have also been restored according to the original plans. At the garden's Thames-facing end stands the ornate wrought iron screen designed by Jean Tijoux, a masterpiece of Baroque metalwork. The central fountain and expansive lawns form a perfect geometric pattern when viewed from above. The Privy Garden was not only a secluded space for royal leisure, but also a symbol of William III's admiration for French and Dutch garden styles. Today, it is one of the palace's most photographed spots, especially stunning in summer when the flowers are in full bloom.